Hey everyone, welcome back to another internet guru. Today, I'll show you how to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. First, open the Temu app on your device. Then, sign up for an account. I've already signed up. After that, tap on the U icon, which is located in the center. Next, click the headset icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on the Contact Us option. Then, click the search bar, enter your issue, and tap the send icon. Now, what this process does is, it doesn't always work, but sometimes it helps remove the purchase limit. There's a chance that a support agent may contact you and they can then assist you further with this issue. Like I said, it's not guaranteed to work every time, but sometimes you'll be connected with a real person and they may be able to remove the purchase limit for you. Thanks for watching another internet guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.